Hi, everyone, and welcome back to 5 Minute Family Search. So, we're talking right now of how to find a project in the country or the region that you want to work in. And I just showed you how to do the web base, but I'd like to show you now, if you do have an interest to help them keep moving the information through the desktop, of how to do that. Or if you have been working in it, this will look a lot more familiar to you. So, let's just come back into North America. And we're going to say View Projects, and we're just going to go back to where we were. So in the last video, we worked here on web projects. This over here is all projects. So if you want to have web and desktop options, you can just click there. But we're going to go ahead and go into desktop projects. So when we do it, it's just going to take us back to the old screens that we're used to using if we have been working and indexing on desktop. So here I can see this is almost completely indexed and 99% arbitrated. So let's come down a little bit more. Here's one. U.S. obituaries from 1980 to 2014, Part J. We can go into View Project Details, which we did in the past video. We see that it's 0% indexed and 0% arbitrated. Now, see here in the last one I showed you where it said web-based, now it says desktop. So when it is desktop, you will need to go and download the program onto your computer. So if you want to work here, you see desktop, you go ahead and say get started, and it's going to take you over here and it'll download that indexing program for you. Now again, this is the difference between the desktop and the web-based. Desktop, you have to download the indexing program. If you are web-based, you do not. So I already have this on my computer, so I don't want to do it again, but I would just click download indexing and it would go ahead and put the program onto my computer, and then I could go back and I could open up that project. Again, if you're an arbitrator, there are a lot of records that still need to be arbitrated, so that would be a really big help for them right now if you would go into the desktop and start arbitrating those records. But again, this is how you will go ahead and download the desktop indexing program onto your computer, and then you can go in and find a project that is still working through the desktop program.